So welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we enable dial pad tone in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to enable your dial pad tone setting in your Infinix phone, so friends you can enable it. And guys, now let's see how to enable dial pad tone guys. What it is dial pad tone guys? First of all I will tell you friends, you can see when we enter a number, so you can see this sound, but this sound is not working now time. So how can you enable it in this video guys? I will show you guys. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to enable this sound. Then guys scroll it. After that guys, you can see sound and vibration setting guys. Tap here, again scroll guys. Friends, you can see your dial pattern setting. Friends, you want to enable guys, you can see right side this icon guys. You will have to tap. Then guys, this icon will green, yellow and red icon you have. So this icon will green as I see. Friends, we will on our dial pad. Friends, you can see if you enter a number, you can see this sound dial pad tone setting. So like that guys, you can enable your dial pad, and guys you can use your dial pad with your dial pad tone setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, bye friends.